Hello everyone. Today we will solve some more numerical problems on multiplexer. Here we will see that how we can use a 4 by 1 multiplexer as an AND gate. You know that if the inputs of the AND gate are A and B, then the output will be AB. Here you can see that it is a 4 by 1 multiplexer because it has the 4 input lines, so there will be 2 select lines, and these 2 select lines will have 4 rows, and Y is here your output. Now we can find the actual output, as it will be equal to, here you can see that it is A is here 0, B is here 0, so we will write the actual output. You know that we write the actual output as in SOP form, so it will be A bar, B bar, and then D0, plus here it will be A bar, B, D1, plus A, B bar, D2, and plus AB, D3. Because you know that the output of the AND gate is equal to AB, so you can select your D0 as 0, D1 as 0, D2 as 0, and D3 as 1. Then we will have the actual output as equal to AB. So we will put here D0 as 0, D1 as 0, D2 as 0, and D3 as 1. So we can find the actual output as equal to AB. This is the output of the AND gate. Thus we can see that how we can use a 4 by 1 multiplexer as an AND gate. Now here we will see that how we can use a 2 by 1 multiplexer as an half adder. You know that the output of the half adder is equal to A bar B plus A B bar if there are two inputs A and B, and its carry is equal to AB. Here we see that there are two multiplexer of 2 by 1. In the first multiplexer there are two input lines, so there will be one select line, and this one select line will have two rows. So if we write the actual output for this multiplexer, which is of 2 by 1 order, then it will be equal to A bar D0 plus A D1, because the sum of the half adder is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. So we will put D0 as equal to B and D1 is equal to B bar. So the output as a sum will be equal to A bar B plus A B bar. Now here for the second multiplexer, the input line are 0 and B, and the select line is 0 and 1. Because your carry is equal to AB for half adder, so if you write the actual output here, then it comes out to be A bar D0 plus A D1. Because we require only AB, so D0 will be put here 0 and D1 will be equal to B. So we can find here output as carry equal to AB. Now we will learn that how we can use a 2 by 1 multiplexer as a half subtractor. You know that in case of the half subtractor, the difference is equal to A exclusive or B, and it is equal to A bar B plus A B bar, as like the half adder, and borrow is here A bar B. So again we will use 2 by 1 multiplexer. In the first case, our input lines are B and B bar, and select line is A. So here your actual output will be as in case of the half adder, and it comes out to be A bar B plus A B bar. In the second multiplexer, we see that the input lines are B and 0. So our borrow comes out to be here A bar B, because if we find here the actual output, then it comes out to be A bar D0 plus A D1, because we require here the borrow as A bar B. So we will put here D0 as equal to B and D1 as equal to 0. So here your actual output will come out to be equal to A bar B. Now there are some problems which you have to solve. You have to design a NOT gate by using 4x1 multiplexer, and design a single bit comparator circuit by using 2x1 multiplexer. And the third problem is design an exclusive NOR gate by using 4x1 multiplexer. Thank you.